Father had clay pots, different kinds, different sizes, different things. Some of them weren't even clay pots. And I've had them sitting around, and I finally decided, well, I'll make a bird bath. So this bottom one right here was a very shallow pot. It was not a saucer, it was a pot. This one right here, I wonder what that is. Oh. This one right here was a round candle holder. This one was a saucer. This one is the only pot I bought. And then because I got glue on the pot and it looked terrible, I had to put this hemp rope around it. And this is another saucer that was around, and I put it together. So now I have a bird bath. Well, I'm told birds like to be able to land on something, you know, like that, so they can see if there's any danger around. And then they like to land on a rock. They do not like bird baths to be deep. 2 inches maximum. Now I think you're going to say to me, well, what's the water bottle doing in there? Well, it has a reason. When the water gets too shallow, there's holes in the bottom of the water bottle, and it will fill up the water. And they tell me, I just put this in yesterday, they tell me this will last about 3 days. Now, every day you're supposed to come out and dump out the water and put fresh in, because birds kind of like fresh water. The sad thing is, I have not seen any birds in any of my bird baths this year. So I don't know what's going on with them. But I will still leave them out here. But I just wanted to show you what you could do with different pots. And actually, the more different your pots are, the better your bird bath looks. Just a little garden tip. And my cost was $3.99 for one pot. The rest of them I had, and of course my glue. But probably for less than $5, I made a bird bath.